Good afternoon, dears. Yesterday's class, we have completed up to question number 11 from exercise 8b. Continuing from question number 12, it says ABC is a triangle. The bisector of angle BCA meets AB in X. A point Y lies on CX such that AX is equal to AY. Prove that angle CAY is equal to angle ABC. Now first of all it says ABC is a triangle. So I have constructed a triangle ABC. Then it says the bisector of AC meet at X on AB. This is the bisector of AC. CX is a bisector. Now Y is a point lies on CX. So maybe this point Y lies on CX such that AY is equal to AX. It is given. Now to prove, given ABC is a triangle, bisector of angle BAC meet AB in X. Y is a point on CX such AX is equal to AY. To prove angle CAY is equal to angle ABC. Okay. So first of all, in triangle AXY, AX is equal to AY given. So that's what angle AXY will be equal to angle AYX, base angles. Let angle AXY is equal to angle AYX be A. Is it this angle I have taken A? So that's what angle BXC is equal to 180 minus A. They are forming linear pair. If this is A, this would be 180 minus A. Linear pair. And angle, this also would be 180 minus A. CYA is equal to also 180 degree minus A. Linear pair. Again, in triangle BXC and triangle CAY, angle BXC is equal to angle CYA, proved above. Angle BCX is equal to angle YCA. XC is bisector of angle C. So if two angles are equal, third angle surely will be equal. We know the sum of three angles is 180. If two angles are equal, so the third angle will be surely equal, as two angles of the given triangle are equal. So angle X CAY will be equal to angle ABC. Proved. If this angle is equal to this in these two triangles, these two angles are equal, so the leftover angle will be equal to leftover angle. So that is proved. That only we had to prove. This is question number 12. Now 13 number question, I'll be explaining. You have to write it. This was question number 12. Now question number 13. Just see the figure here. You have given a figure like that. These two sides are equal. This is P. This angle and this angle is equal. T, S, R, Q. Now, in triangle, you have to prove this side is equal to this. PQ is equal to PT. Now, in triangle, SRP, PS is equal to PR, which is given. These two sides are given, so therefore these two angles would be equal. I can write it, angle PSR will be equal to angle PRS, base angles. Now if these two angles are equal, what will be? Therefore angle PST will be equal to angle PRQ, exterior angle to the base angles. If this is A, so this would be 180 minus A, and this also would be 180 minus A. So exterior to the base angle, it will be equal. Already last day we have proved this. Now, in these two triangles, this angle is equal to this angle, it is given. This side is equal to this side, it is given. And this angle is equal to this angle. So we can write it, triangle PTS is congruent to triangle PRQ ISA. Two angle and the corresponding side is equal. So we can write it, PT is equal to PQ. Proved by CPCTC. So it was question number 13. Now question number 14 says, see, question number 14 is very simple. Just you have to apply your brain little bit. Now it says there is a triangle ABC where AB is equal to AC. That's what angle B will be equal to angle C. Now BD and CE are the medians. What does the medians do? Divides the base into two halves. So may I write it? This is equal to this. Now in triangle BCE and triangle, this is BCD. BC is a common side. BE is equal to CD. Half of AB is equal to half of AC. Medians divide the side into two halves. And angle EBC is equal to angle DCB. They are the base angles. So the triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CDB. SAS. So CE is equal to BD. CPCTC proved. That only we have to prove. This is question number 14. Is it? Then 15 says, prove that the triangle formed by the joining the midpoints of an isosceles triangle is an also isosceles triangle. So just let us see question number 15. It says, I'm writing, let ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AC is equal to AB. Now these two sides are equal. So that's what angle ACB would be equal to angle ABC. This angle and this angle will be equal. Now, to prove let P, Q, R, P be the midpoints, P, Q and R be the midpoints of sides BC, BA and AC respectively. To prove triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Okay. Now we take in triangle PRC and triangle PQB. I am talking about these two triangles which is marked with red, this and this. Now first of all, may I write it CP is equal to PB? Why? P is midpoint of CB. So if it is midpoint, these two sides would be equal. Now similarly, CR would be equal to BQ. Why? Half of AC is equal to half of AB, as AC and AB were equal. So this side and this side will be equal. Then I am coming up. Angle RCP is equal to angle QBP. Already I have proved, na? These two are the base angles. So this is base angles. So therefore, triangle RPC is congruent to triangle QPB. Side, angle, side. So once the triangles are congruent, what does it prove? If these two triangles are congruent, so we can write it RP is equal to QP. So therefore, triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. Proved. This only we had to prove. This is question number 15. 16 and 17 is homework. It's very simple. You have to refer the figure and you have to prove the congruency, so you can solve it in very easy manner. Question number 16 and 17 is homework. Do not forget it. Along with this writings, you write question number 16 and 17, and if there is a doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you, dears.